Hey everyone, I'm at the H10 Costa Adeje Palace and I'm going to do a wee walking tour to Playa de La beach, so let's check it out. Now the H10 Costa Adeje Palace is a 4-star and there's the beach right in front of it. Now it's a, it's a family friendly hotel, great for kids. It's got the wee water park. And look at the views, absolutely stunning. Now I did a previous video where I walked along this way from the Rio Palace Hotel in Costa Adeje, but I'm just going to show you this the opposite way. It's one of the nicest coastal walks I've done. I'm actually looking forward to going back and not having to film anything and just enjoy the views. There's a better view of the pool area of the hotel, and it does look some size. That looks like one of the best H10 hotels I've ever seen. Those that don't know, Costa Adeje is the more upmarket of the three between Los Cristianos, Las Americas and here. Of the three, what do I like more? Well, I quite like the nightlife in Las Americas, and I quite like the Mirador Strip in Los Cristianos, but I'm only here for a short while, so I haven't got the time to really see a show in Adeje. But I did go and see a Queen comedy tribute the last time I was here, and that was really good. That was in the, I believe it's called the Rum Pot. That was a good wee bar, I quite liked that. So if you're in Costa Adeje, check that one out. Also just down from it, I can't remember the name because it was about 2 years ago, there's a nice Italian restaurant, we went there and the food was great. If you're walking down there, you'll see it. It's, honestly, you can't miss it. Anyway, on with the show. Seen by all over Tenerife. Look at the prices here, it's ridiculous. Hamburger 28.45. Here it is, veal shank, 2-pack, I don't know, 62 euros 45. There's, look at this one, veal shank, 62 euros 45. Wow, aye, quite a few things there. It's very pricey. I don't know if it's Michelin starred, but at their prices it's what it should be. So I'm just going to show you here. It's all quite rocky here, but this is down here, Playa de La North Beach. I'll just show you. This is Tivoli La Caleta Hotel. Some really nice hotels. I need to come here with Jacqueline sometime and do a whole series of hotel videos here. I really like it. Just going over this wee bridge here. It's about 11 AM and it's starting to get really hot. The clouds are mostly gone away. There's still some up there. Just keep me cool for a bit. Now I've been lucky. I've had my camera on pretty much consistently for the past 3 hours. I've been walking from Los Cristianos to here, and my phone isn't and my camera hasn't overheated yet. So I'm not want to tempt fate, but just in case, I might need to end this video abruptly. If it cuts off, my apologies. Please like, subscribe and share if you've enjoyed this video, but hopefully we can make it. This is the start of the Playa del North Beach. There's the bar. And here's a really nice hotel. I think it's the Rio Palace, you call it. It's Rio something. I'm sure it's the Rio Palace. And it's the start of the beach. Look how dark and black the sand is. That's because of the volcanic landscape. Very upmarket. And just look at the scenery. It's free, and just look at the scenery. Look how beautiful that is. Over there in the distance, that's Las Americas, and beyond that is Los Cristianos. That is how far I've walked this morning. Way beyond that, right at the end of the coast. And I'm going to walk all the way back. The things you do as a YouTuber, but it is well worth doing. It's a lovely walk, and this time I don't need to film it, so I can just enjoy it. I was right, it's a Hotel Rio Palace, Tenerife. It's a lovely hotel. Just showing you this. With my wife Jacqueline being in a wheelchair, my first impressions of Adeje, I thought, no, I don't think it's very wheelchair accessible, just the one wee part that I saw. But actually, having walked along here, I would take Jacqueline here. It's really nice. I think she would like this. In fact, I think she would love this. And I'll maybe stay in that hotel the next time I come here. We'll see. Usually when I go somewhere, stay in a few different hotels. But this one, it was like a last minute deal, and it was for the Mary Sol Hotel in Los Cristianos. So with Jacqueline's disability, they've got a great pool. It's the whole hotel is designed for disabled people, so it's a no-brainer. So I thought we'll just go for that. I wouldn't normally go in June. Yes, it's June at the time of filming, and it is absolutely roasting. I never go anywhere hot in June. Never. Especially not Tenerife. It's so hot, and it's only 11 AM, maybe half 11. I'm not sure exactly. I don't like getting into my pockets and pull my phone out when I'm filming. You've got to be wary of pickpockets. But it's a beautiful beach. The black sand is kind of weird to see. But once you get used to it, it's quite nice, it's quite different. So up in the distance is Playa del South. Go to a wee walk over there and I'll end the video there. So we're just walking up here. This is Playa del South Beach. So see, it's a lighter sand. It's lovely. And again, just look at the scenery. Absolutely amazing. I'm just going to take a wee walk here and show you the main part of Del Duque. I'm just going to take a walk down here and show you the main part of Playa del Duque Beach. Somebody in the comment section, let me know, how's it pronounced? But there's a beach there. I have to say, I have to say, I know this isn't very well researched because I didn't research it. You're seeing this from my first perspective. I didn't plan on doing Adeje, but I managed to film quite a lot in Los Cristianos. So I thought, you know what? Why not? Why not do this here? And I'm glad I did. I definitely, the next time I go to Tenerife, I'm taking Jacqueline here. It's lovely. And as I say, very upmarket. There's the El Mirador shopping centre. La Torre del Mirador restaurant. I'm guessing that's a steak restaurant. Got a beach. Oh, it's too hot. I can't wait to put this camera down. It's been holding up for hours. And I get to walk away over there. And then it'll be my feet. I need to rest. It's quite a walk. It really is. I believe this might be a, oh no, I think it's the next one. The restaurant up there. There's two restaurants, Italian and sushi. I'll just show you. I'm sure there's a Michelin star one here. It's actually a hotel, I believe, but it's got a Michelin star restaurant. I passed it on the way and look at this. Look at the view there. And look how close this hotel is to that beach. It's a beautiful looking hotel. And there's a wee plaque there, Michelin star. Let's see what restaurant this is. Oh, this is the Grand Hotel Bahia del Duque. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and let me know what you think. Would you come here? I think it's lovely and a bit of a no-brainer. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.